Welcome to our exciting exploration of handmade wooden games and puzzles, where craftsmanship meets family fun. In this series, we invite you to join us on a creative journey that celebrates the beauty of woodworking and the joy of play. Each project is designed not only to showcase your woodworking skills but also to create unique, engaging experiences that bring families together. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. We believe that crafting wooden games and puzzles is more than just a hobby. It's an opportunity to connect with loved ones, share laughter, and create lasting memories. As we delve into the world of woodworking, you'll discover the satisfaction of transforming raw materials into cherished family treasures. Our step-by-step guides will walk you through the entire process, from selecting the right wood to applying the final finish. Along the way, you'll learn tips and techniques that enhance your craftsmanship while fostering creativity. Each project not only serves as a source of entertainment but also as a meaningful way to pass down traditions and stories through generations. So gather your tools, unleash your creativity, and let's embark on this rewarding journey of making handmade wooden games and puzzles that will delight your family for years to come. If you're enjoying our journey into the world of handmade wooden games and puzzles, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're committed to bringing you a new video every day, filled with exciting projects, tips, and inspiration. Your support through likes and shares helps us reach more woodworking enthusiasts like you, creating a vibrant community of creators and families. Stay tuned until the end of each video for exclusive insights, additional tips, and a sneak peek at tomorrow's project. We appreciate your engagement and can't wait to share our passion for woodworking with you. Let's create something amazing together. Crafting wooden games and puzzles is not only a rewarding woodworking project but also a wonderful way to foster family bonding. The tactile nature of wooden toys invites interaction, inspiring creativity and imagination in both children and adults. By making these games from scratch, you can infuse them with personal touches that resonate with your family's interests and values. This guide will take you through the journey of creating unique, handmade wooden games and puzzles that can be cherished for generations. To start, consider what types of games or puzzles your family enjoys. Classic games like chess, checkers, or tic-tac-toe are timeless, while puzzles can range from simple jigsaw styles to more complex brain teasers. Brainstorming ideas with your family can generate excitement and ensure the final product is something everyone will want to engage with. Think about incorporating family themes or inside jokes into the designs, making the games even more special. Once your wooden games and puzzles are complete, it's time to enjoy them as a family. Set aside dedicated game nights or puzzle-solving sessions where everyone can participate. These moments foster communication, teamwork, and a sense of achievement as you navigate challenges together. Encourage friendly competition and creativity, perhaps even hosting family tournaments to add excitement. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and enthusiasm for our journey into the world of handmade wooden games and puzzles. Your support means the world to us, and we hope you found inspiration and valuable insights throughout the project. As you embark on your own woodworking adventures, remember that each creation is not just a product, but a unique opportunity to bond with family and friends, fostering connections and cherished memories. We encourage you to share your experiences and creations with us, as we love to see how our community is bringing these ideas to life. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we look forward to crafting together in future videos.